Hey, let's check the new Kugoo S4 scooter. It is bigger, it has bigger wheels. Let's see what these 10-inch wheels can do. Wow, it instantly feels way more stable than your average Xiaomi scooter. And I'm going over 30 km per hour already. This scooter can get up to 35 km per hour maximum. And by the way, it has this huge display with voltage and motor temperature. I mean, it's pretty useful stuff. Oh, and did I mention? I love the rear wheel drive. I think big wheels plus rear drive combined is what gives such a stable ride experience. It definitely makes a big difference coming from a Xiaomi type scooter with a smaller 8.5-inch wheels. So yeah, bigger is better, and I'm impressed with the new Kugoo S4 model. It rides nicely even on this crappy sidewalk. And finally, there is a scooter that feels comfortable even for a big dude like me. Though everyone will appreciate a more stable and safer ride with the new Kugoo S4, and you can check product links in the video description for more details. I will put their promo codes too. So thanks Kugoo for sending the review unit. I'm really pleasantly surprised with the new model, and I hope more people will find this video helpful. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.
Like a bright light that's shining through me, and it feels like you know what's going on inside my